Hey, boy. Bye-bye Chevy, y'all. Bye-bye Chevy. Check it out, YouTube. Check it out, man. Got the old clean box Chevy, man. Y'all see that Chevy thing, YouTube. Turn it up, you got that music.
We drank up there, we smile, but she always do the most.
Hey. Look at it, YouTube. There you go. Mississippi. 72 Convertible Impala, LS3 swap in it. You know what I'm saying? Run pretty good. Guess what, YouTube? I'm satisfied, YouTube. Take a look at some of these nice, clean, old school cars with me today, YouTube. But before we do that, let me ask you something. If you got a box Chevy, if you got a B-body, if you got a Cutlass, a Regal, a Buick, Pontiac, old school car, you want to do an LS swap, let CHEVYS R US help you do your LS swap, YouTube. I went through the go-through. I learned a lot. And guess what? I want to share that knowledge and share that information with you, YouTube, to help make your LS swap easy. These swaps cost a lot of money. Hey, man, we ain't got to pay nobody. We can do it ourselves. If you have not, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Go ahead and turn your notification bell on. Go ahead and drop me a comment in the comment section and say I'm riding with CHEVYS R US, Tone. Let CHEVYS R US help you do your LS swap, YouTube. Make sure you check out this whole video, man. We got some nice, clean, old school cars in this video, YouTube. All right? Let's go. YouTube. This your boy, Tone coming back at y'all one more again, YouTube, with another great video on CHEVYS R US, man. Y'all know what time it is, YouTube. We out here in the garage, but we ain't gonna work on no car today, man. YouTube, man, I wanna show y'all something, man. I want to show y'all some nice, clean box Chevys, man. I had a box Chevy, man. Man, look here, I'm going to show y'all that too. Let's go. Hey, boy. Baby, go get a room and then you buy that. Let me stop by the store so I can copy that. Let me store so fast. This is the reason why I get more so fast. YouTube, look at it, man. Got the old box Chevy. Sitting on them things, what the mill? Sixes. Okay. That's what I'm talking about, man. Y'all see that Chevy thing, YouTube. That's it right there, bro. Hey, y'all see that thing, man. What year model is it? 84 box Chevy Caprice. This is just a regular Caprice model. What kind of engine you got in it, bro? 383 stroker? Yep. Hey, man, look at it, YouTube, man. He got it clean. See, this what I'm talking about. Oh, man.
And you got the expedition over here. I don't have expedition.
Hey, y'all see he got the Ford Expo over there, man. So how long you had it, bro?
About a year and a half.
You want to crank it up for me?
Hell yeah.
That's what's up right there, man. That's what I'm talking about.
We gotta get that little concert again.
Cammed out. That's it right there. Tap the gas just a little bit. Y'all hear it, YouTube, man. Turn that music.
Taking off with her side me. The glass turned me brown when she digging on her.
YouTube. Hey, this is Chevy's R US YouTube channel, man. You gonna give a shout out, bro?
Oh yeah. Fuck with me on Instagram, SlickNick86.
Alright, let's say that one more time. We ain't gonna say no cuss words. Hey, you wanna give a shout out, bro?
Yeah, holla at me on Instagram, SlickNick86.
Say it one more time.
SlickNick86.
Hey, that's a big 10-4. Y'all heard him, YouTube. That's it. Sir. Yeah. Chevy thing running. Y'all can see. Thing purring. Sound good. It's like this. Right there, YouTube. What's up, bro? What you got? What you got right there, bro? Hey. 89 Chevy Caprice.
Yeah, everything original.
Oh yeah, where you find it at, bro? In Georgia. Okay, in Georgia. How long you had it, bro? About 6 years. Yeah. Check it out, YouTube. Check it out, man. Got the old clean box Chevy, man. Nice and clean. Y'all see it, YouTube. See it right there, bro. I had an 89, man. You mind if I check it out on the inside? Clean, YouTube. Y'all hear? Y'all see it? Clean, YouTube. Yes, sir. That's what I'm talking about. You want to give a shout out, man?
Man, shout out to everybody with the old school doing their old school thing, man.
Y'all heard them.
It's time to ride. AC going.
AC.
We just ride, man. We get up, gas up and go, baby.
Hey, that's it. Y'all heard them. YouTube.
All right, so take it easy, baby.
All right, hey, tell them who to subscribe to.
All right, baby, you already know CHEVYS R US, huh?
Y'all heard them. YouTube.